So we're going to need 16 spark plugs, which we've picked up, and the next step will be to take the part of the intake off in order to access the plugs. Loosen up the big duct clamp. And there's a hose, a vacuum hose that needs to be removed from the top cover. And undo 3 snap clamps that hold that top air filter cover to the bottom. And then there's one in the back. The top cover just sits on a couple pegs near the front, and in the back there's a couple of kind of alignment slots for it as well. Removing this lower air filter box is just going to give you more room. You could do it without taking this off, but it's so easy. Just pulls up, just lifts off of there. Now the passenger side is so accessible, perhaps with the exception of that back one, a little bit more difficult, that we're going to focus in this video on showing the driver's side removal. So we'll go there next. And we have some congestion over here on this side.
Okay.
So in trying to unplug the frontmost coil pack, we found the cable too short to do it. So we're going to wind up, pulling the coil pack in order to unplug it. And these coil packs are very lightly torqued, so a 1/4 inch ratchet will unbolt them just fine.
Not very roomy. Is it broken loose? Because they turn out by hand pretty good. Oh yeah, it turns out by hand really easily. We'll speed this up. Okay, these are quite long. So, what's the back? Oh yeah, there you go. Ah. Alright. Fit. Okay, so everything's in there now. Okay. I think I got it. Hope I got it. Laser iridium. Nothing goes on the plug, so I'll gently get it started. It's 13 foot-pounds. Number 2 for this cylinder. Okay, they're flexible enough, you can get them out.
We're replacing the plugs right away, but leaving the coil packs off so we have additional clearance until the end.
Time.
Sitting on top of the engine will give you the reach and leverage to remove the rearmost 4 plugs.
Huh? No, you don't have to get my face, but like this, as far as getting some torque on this thing. Okay, what's going on here? There. You can put some weight into it. Oh, I like this. Now, how is this one gonna go?
Swing.
No swing at all. Let me make sure you're not coming back. You can push in on that. I mean, that's all foam there, but yeah. Look at here.
What do you mean?
It's not shifting. Wait. Oh, I'm such a jerk. Get out of there. No, he doesn't want to get out of there.
Yeah, there's barely enough room back here.
And just like that, it's in there. And turn it by hand.
Using an inch-pounds torque wrench back here gives us a little more turning radius.
I can
Oh,
build
here.
if you want.
It's almost there. Here's what we got. Yeah. Now we can just take it out by hand as usual, so you don't need to do this.
This one you have to bend quite a bit.
Every bit of the flexibility of these rubber boots is needed back here.
Catching on wiring. Wow.
Back it out. Shoot it.
Yeah, that's perfect. Getting close. A tight bit more. There we go. With one hand. Better you can get your hand in there. There it is. With a little extra thrown in. Okay, we've got dielectric grease here.
Don't forget to put some around the inside as well.
Just snug them up. So, plug it in. Remember, this one's tight enough that you got to plug it in first before you put the coils in. Okay, what the heck?
It's so roomy we can both get our hands in there. We're not going to show the passenger side. Same process with much better room. And there's a look at the pegs for the top cover and the alignment holes in the back.
This goes through here.
Oh, there's two holes in the backside that I have to hit.
Yeah, there's one. And up there, down here. See the pin come through here.
Kind of a shame.
Looks like it's in pretty good shape though. We'll take off our protection. Cover. Plug that in. There you're in over there. Snap. Snap. All the snaps are in. And this hose is in here, and it's back up. Operating after the way I beat the crap out of it for the last 6 years.
Did you get on the back here? Yeah?
That's on.
Okay, that's a wrap. Needed maintenance job completed. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.